Hello friends, today we are going to review this movie Two Women, which was released in Italian language. Thereafter it was redubbed in English language. So it was a Italian war drama which was released in around 1960, and this is the very unusual war movie which most of the time we have seen. It's not like that. These films have no guns and killing, and it's a very soft way narrating the story of the war. It's about the suffering of the family, how certain situations and losing a friend or getting away from our closed ones, the pain you feel when you lost your loved one, or you will be a part of the tragedy. That's kind of this war movie has impact on you when you watch. And this film have a one of the very great performances have ever done for screen. I think Sophia Loren, that Italian actress who played that role of mother, she is really enchanting this role, very charismatic, and lots of acting schools they read and study her acting performance, and that way, in a sense, Vittorio De Sica, who was the director of that film, he also make 2-3 masterpiece before this. He was very famous for The Bicycle Thief and The Suicide Boys, and these Two Women, and his one more movie which name I didn't come to get this time. So all of his movies are very human circumstances, how they suffer in situations, how they deal with pain and agony when happens to those characters. So I think the director vision is very beautifully crafted. Each scene he was, and each scene has a very unique way of expressing and leading to a story to next scene. So he is a very master craftsman. When you look at, you admire the each scene. He is beautifully crafted, and how emotions have transferred from one scene to another scene, and then next, and it's really groove you for reaching to the end for the climax. So I think that's the very key moment in this film narration, and the way expressions and the pain of the losing or be a part of the tragedy when these films have been shown through really the sadness of character, very melancholic, you may say, and you really feel very empathy for the character in the end when they cross through when army when attack them and brutally assault those mother and daughter, and it was really those reality of those World War II. when in Italy how Nazis and Germans took advantage of the peoples, and they say they are on the point of gun, they put anyone and killed. So nothing much civilian or citizen can do. They have to do what the Germans ask them to do. So it's a really a situation where you have nothing much you can do, but you have to deal with. It's a kind of the flooding situation. If you know how to swim, you just go through and swim those turbulent waves. So it's that kind of depiction I think it shows. And great performance for this movie should be watched, and it's really a rank of the great masterpiece. I think it's really seeps emotions and feel you really tragic about how war was happen and few people's life gets, and tragic way it was really horror of war they faced in their life, when if certain accident or problem they have gone through. And this movie is really deal with the sadness and grief agony of character, which really moved you deeply in the end, how those things happen during the war, and you very feel sympathize for them. So from today, friends, that much I can say. I will bring more subject related art, literature, movies, and keep bringing this unique kind of film which makes and help you to grow or become a better filmmaker. If you are writing some kind of writer kind of element, you are making a movie, so you should watch and learn from these movies. They are the great tutorial kind of thing. You can self-taught yourself after watching these kinds of film, and really learn about the emotion, how emotions have transfer from screen to a person who watched this movie. So it's very important to learn this classics master, how they transfer sadness, tragedy, comedy. So there is all, it depends on how much you observant when you watching a film, and how you read what particular scene was saying, and how you make a few notes from them. So you will more going to understand what this film is saying, how these scenes are transferred, how character were building a climax, and how those climax have become an anti-climax. So it's a very unique way of telling a story where you can learn all these element when you watch and make yourself aware of it, and you can bring or make your subject more interesting if you are creating something which really make your work unique to other people's. So okay friends, I will meet you next movie I will review or prepared monologue for. Okay.